the inaugural session of the Maiden AMAN dialogue. Your presence here today exemplifies the shared commitment of our navies to foster international maritime cooperation and mutual understanding. Today, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Chief of Naval Staff, whose unwavering commitment to foster collaborative efforts for maritime security have made this dialogue a reality, setting a benchmark for international maritime engagements. Ladies and gentlemen, in this era of globalization and interconnectivity, national interests are best served by fostering peaceful international system of interdependent networks of trade, finance, communication, and information. The global economic system is almost wholly dependent upon unhindered activity in the maritime domain. The uninterrupted use of seas and oceans remain the strategic interest of all nations, which further demands the nations synchronize their efforts and resources to extract greater gains. The maritime domain today is a critical crossroads. Our oceans, carrying over 80% of global trade, represent not just shipping lanes, but the arteries of global prosperity. The Indian Ocean in particular emerges as a vital confluence where the destinies of nations intertwine. The Indian Ocean holds over 50% of global oil and gas reserves, with about 20% of refining facilities along its shores. The vastness of oceans and its importance in our shared economic prosperity demands collaboration to further our economic interest while countering rising challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, the world is transforming through an era of unprecedented change. Rising global tariffs have impacted global economy. Great power competitions are stirring up challenges to the existing political and economic structures, leading to an action-reaction, counter-action chain. Deepening global crisis, challenges of climate change, pandemics like COVID has left the international order in disarray. Chaos and uncertainty are trumping stability in our contemporary world. Moreover, maritime domain is also influenced with prevailing threats from non-conventional domain like narco-trafficking, gun running, human smuggling, liquor transportation, terrorism, and piracy. As oceans are precious resources that sustains life on our planet, and thus it is our collective responsibility to preserve and protect them from future generations. These challenges demand a common resolve by all nations, as not a single country has the wherewithal to counter them alone. Technological advancements have also brought significant challenges and opportunities. Unmanned systems demonstrated inexhaustible applications of new technologies, where effective use of low-cost unmanned drones has proven their efficacy in the face of technological superior opponent. Moreover, warfare is not only limited to unmanned systems, but is under transformation through AI-powered systems under gray hybrid conflict. To sum it all, the era of globalization, rapidly evolving technologies, transition in world power structure, growing threats from non-state actors have made it obligatory for us to sit together, discuss our challenges together, learn from each other, and formulate strategies for the common good of our people. Ladies and gentlemen, opportunities and tremendous benefits at sea cannot be harnessed if we are not aptly geared up against rising challenges. This August gathering has offered us this very opportunity where leaders around the globe can sit together and find solutions to problems. Navy's role in maritime economy indicates the need and relevance of a strong Navy for protection of trade while preserving security and stability at sea. In this context, exploitation of blue economy for socio-economic prosperity enabled by secure maritime environment necessitates our focused attention. Hence, today I wish to highlight three fundamental imperatives that demand our immediate attention. First, the evolving maritime threats, especially after 9/11, where the threat now posed to global common is from non-conventional domain. We face a complex tapestry of challenges, from traditional security concerns to emerging non-traditional threats. Piracy, transnational crime, and cyber warfare coexist with environmental degradation and climate change impacts. These challenges recognize no borders and respect no sovereignty. They demand a unified understanding and coordinated response. Second, the technological revolution in maritime operations. We stand at the cusp of unprecedented technologies advancement. Artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and space-based surveillance are not merely tools, but transformative forces reshaping maritime security paradigms. Yes, with very technological leap forward, we must ensure our technological pursuits and government frameworks keep pace. Third, the imperative of sustainable ocean development. The concept of blue economy represents more than economic opportunity. It embodies our commitment to responsible stewardship of maritime resources. For nations bordering the Indian Ocean, including Pakistan, this is not merely an option, but an existential imperative. Ladies and gentlemen, the Aman Dialogue represents more than a forum of discussion. It serves as a catalyst for action, a platform for forging lasting partnership, building friendships and enduring relationships, all to resonate, to resolve embodied in the motto of Aman Exercise, together for peace. In the end, I commend Pakistan Navy